Press the bell icon and never miss any update from WhatsApp Bollywood.
Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and you're watching WhatsApp Bollywood. Film director Anurag Kashyap was questioned by Mumbai police in sexual assault case filed by Payal Ghosh. It was a 7-hour long questioning session, after which Anurag Kashyap's lawyer has released a statement on behalf of him. Watch the video to know Anurag Kashyap's side of story.
It is written in the statement that in an FIR registered with the Versova police station, one Mrs. Payal Ghosh has alleged that in August 2013, my client Mr. Anurag Kashyap called her to his house and sexually harassed her. My client presented himself for questioning before the investigating authority on 1st October 2020. Mr. Kashyap has denied all wrongdoing in the matter and has provided his statement to the police. The material provided by Mr. Kashyap in support of his statement demonstrates that the complaint of Mrs. Ghosh is an outright lie. Mr. Kashyap has provided documentary proof of the fact that throughout August 2013, he was away in Sri Lanka in connection with the shooting of one of his films. Mr. Kashyap has categorically denied that any such alleged incident ever took place and has also denied all allegations leveled against him. These sudden belated allegations of an alleged incident of August 2013 have been widely publicized by the complainant for the purpose of vilifying Mr. Kashyap irrespective of the outcome of the judicial process. Mr. Kashyap is confident that the falsity of the complaint has been exposed not only by the evidence presented by Mr. Kashyap but also the ever-shifting version of events put forth by Mrs. Ghosh in the media. Mr. Kashyap is apprehensive that now that the falsity of her allegations in the FIR have been established, she will alter her version of events in the investigative process as well. Mr. Kashyap is distressed with the false and reckless allegations made against him that have caused pain to him, his family and his fans. Mr. Kashyap intends to vigorously pursue the legal remedies available to him. Mr. Kashyap vehemently denies any such incident as has been alleged and has sought for severe action against Mrs. Ghosh for misusing the criminal justice system and for hijacking the Me Too movement for her ulterior motives. Mr. Kashyap is confident that justice will prevail.
Well, what do you think about this statement? Let us know in the comments below. And for more such updates, keep watching WhatsApp Bollywood.